it's story time. Story time! No, today I'm going to be telling you a story. Fuck this thing, damn it. Hey guys, it's story time. Story time! Now today I'm going to be telling you a story. Oh, yeah, I don't know how to edit, so I don't know. Maybe that's a thing in edits? I don't know. I don't know about it, so I can't do it. Oh, come on. But yeah, so I'm going to say this, okay? So I got in my first fight today. Not today. Oh, why was it today? Because it's never today. Of course it's not today. I mean, school is happening. This happened at school. That's how bad it is. That's how bad I make these stories to someone. It happened at school. And school's starting in a month. Like, no. But, yeah. So, I don't mess with cockroaches or any of that stuff. Okay? Well, this weird ass girl was holding a cockroach. Was wiggling at me, okay? He's like, no. So I lifted it out of her hands and killed it. She started getting so mad. I'm like, don't mess with me, go away. And she got a piece of paper and she started slapping me with it. I grabbed the paper and I ripped it. And she screamed and she slapped me. And then she said, and I said, you're so annoying. And then she started crying. And then she ran outside. Yeah. Like, what? I don't get it. Like, you're a fucking cockroach. I don't fuck with cockroaches, okay? Well, paper. You can slap anything at me. Paper. What paper? You don't slap somebody with paper. There's a box. Just go foul with the fuck, but no paper. Oh yeah, and you guys never noticed that this girl like me, like it was weird. She like pretend she was sucking my dick with a Coke bottle. Coke bottle. A fucking Coke bottle. That's the day and age that these girls act like they're sucking dick with a fucking Coke bottle. And then the girl told me that she pretended Coke was my cock and she drank it and then spit it on this girl's shoes. Like, I don't understand how disrespectful you are. Let me get this straight. These are Mexicans, like the ghetto Mexicans, or what she did. And she did to this girl that got arrested for getting into fights. She stabbed her teacher. It was not pretty. And then in the summer, okay, that's a story for another time. Make sure to leave a like on this video if you enjoy. Thank you and bye.